It is important to be familiar with the UMSL website. In the top left corner is the Current Students tab. From there, you can access your MyGateway student portal. MyGateway is your central portal for all UMSL student applications, including student email access, Canvas course management, MyView enrollment and payment center, MyConnect advising services, and MyDrive Google services, and much more. Your UMSL email is the primary communication tool between you and the university. You must activate your email address before or during orientation. Every student has a 10 gigabyte campus email account hosted through Microsoft's Office 365 service. Your username for Office 365 is based on your SSO. Canvas is the university's selected course management system. A tutorial of the Canvas will be included in the technology section of orientation. MyView is the student center that contains important student service information. A tutorial of MyView will be included in the technology section of orientation. MyConnect is UMSL's platform to centralize people and services. MyConnect allows you to schedule appointments with advisors and other support specialists. MyConnect can also help you manage the steps you need to stay on track and meet your goals. UMSL uses Google Drive for cloud storage. This is called Google applications are considered a third party in the UM system. These types of applications, including your Google Drive, require you to log in using the UM system domain. Your credentials would then be your SSO at umsystem.edu with your same linked password. Your Drive provides unlimited convenient storage space of documents that you use often on many different computers, as well as sharing and collaborative features. There are multiple ways to log into your MyDrive. Access the MyDrive tile through your MyGateway portal. Go to mydrive.umsl.edu or log in directly through Google. Make sure to get familiar with MyGateway tiles through upcoming tutorials included in this orientation.